Okay, at this point I'm just going to show you a little bit about the cutting window. So we're pretty happy with that. We could add more if our slab allowed for it, and it was something we wanted to do as well. But that's going to be a basic setup and basic situation. I'm going to right click escape. Anytime I want to save, anytime I save it, either by going save or file, save as, which is what I want you to do, save as. As soon as I hit save, it will put it on the cutting screen. I'm just going to show you the cutting screen now by holding Alt and hitting Tab. I hit it once and I know it's going to the cutting screen because I can see that icon highlighted there. I keep hitting holding Alt, hit Tab again, it will toggle through every time I hit Tab. Anyway, that's the cutting screen done. Now, if I bring it all to the front, it's showing I don't have a splashback on there because I haven't saved the previous one. So I'll hit Alt-Tab again, make sure it's getting me to the drawing screen, and I go to File, Save As. Now see here, there's a shortcut. I can hold Alt, hit F and A, and that will save as. Let's give that a go. So I'll just get out of that, hold Alt, hit F and A. And now it's asking me where I'd like to save it. So basic bench with miter strips and shared cut splash. Enter. Now I've saved that. If I hold Alt again and hit Tab and go to the cutting screen, I can see it's all in there. If you can't see the diagram, you've got any one of these ones up, you need to go to pause 1 to see what you're doing here. Now to move the head manually to get to our 0 point on the X and Y axis down here, we do that, we click manual, and we can use the remote or jog this way up and down to do it. It won't do anything on mine because I don't have a machine attached, but once you locate it to the 0 point using your machine, there you can see it. That's moved the head to there. If I move it back up, make sure it's on my 0 point on the actual cut on the bench of the water jet cutter. I go X, Y clear, that sets my 0 point. So that's right there. Then, because I've got miters, I want to select my altimetry, that's the Z axis altimetry. And because I've got miters, I want to do by scanning. And I want to press start. Press start and it will ask me if I want to delete the last setting. Yes, I do. And it will start the machine working and start scanning all those cuts in order from what we selected. It helps if you've drawn your template out on the actual material so you can see where the laser is aligning to. Anyway, once that's completed, you can click OK. That has set your altimetry. And now you're pretty much ready to cut. Although, if this is the first time you're using the machine for the day, you need to prime the pump. So, using your jog coordinates here or the remote in manual up here, you want to move the machine head well away from any material. Start your oil pump. Once you've heard that wind up, you want to start your high pressure pump. Once you've heard that all wind up completely, you start your cutting. Once that's wound up completely, you'll hear it audibly, start your abrasive. Once that's all done, you have completed your priming. Now we're going to bring it back to normal. So undo the abrasive first, then the high pressure. Wait for you to hear everything wind down. Once it's all wound down, undo the cutting, and you can leave the oil pump running. Go to auto and hit start, and it will start the cut. Obviously keep your eye on it, make sure there's no errors. If you've got your pencil marks about where everything starts and you can visually see it, then away you go.